Okay, so selling on Amazon. I have a course out. It's Coach Crispect's crash courses. It's part of a large series of courses that are available and will be available. A lot of the courses will be available coming up here in the next few months. We're trying to put all of that together, all of that content together. But the primary, most fundamental course is the Amazon Selling Hustle. And it's a course that I came out with last year on teaching new sellers how to sell from A to Z on Amazon, from step one of starting your business, how to register your account, all the different tools you would need, all the different supplies you would need, how to legitimize your business, how to register your business, all the tools you would utilize there, and then going straight into business action, launching your business, doing product research, doing retail arbitrage, getting products to Amazon, how to find them, how to determine the demand that is going to be there so that your products are selling when they arrive, how to create your listing so that when your product arrives, it has a really good listing, a really good story, sales, write up about your product, really good photos, and then how to create or SEO the back end so that your products reach page one or pages where customers will see them, how to do customer service, how to manage the day-to-day customer service aspects of your business, and then how to maintain your products that are at Amazon, maintain inventory so that you don't run out of inventory and so that you're always one step ahead of your inventory and all that type of stuff, all the way to the very end of launching additional products, of increasing your sales and scaling up your sales, driving products to or driving people to your products, how Amazon does it all for you, utilizing fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment centers, and all of the tools so that at the end of the day, the simplest thing about it is that you can just buy products that are in demand, ship them direct to Amazon, and hire Amazon to do all the work for you so that you can still do all the other stuff that you want to do. If you want to work your job, and this can be extra income on the side, if you want to travel the world and be able to manage your business from Bali or from Mexico or from Disneyland or from New York or wherever you are, Canada, Whistler, doesn't matter. You can manage your business from anywhere on the planet. China does not matter. If you want to scale your business up so that you're making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month, or if you simply want to make an extra $300 a month, my Amazon Selling Hustle course is designed to take you through every question you would have or want to ask, okay? And I specifically made it so that it goes through it in a process where you literally start on video one, and that's step one. And as you go through the videos, you can take action, and it's step by step, it's sequenced so that you're not going to the end and then coming back to the beginning and going to the end, although some people do it, but it's designed so that you flow right through it. And at the very end of my videos, there's 6 modules in the course. There are 6 modules, each module specific to the phase you're in. So I call it phase 1, phase 2, all the way through to phase 6. They're specific to the phases you're in. And at the very last phase of the course, there's an action plan. And that action plan is actually a checklist of every action that you need to take. So just to paint by numbers, step 1, did you do this today? Step 2, did you do this today? And the action plan is designed to be over a specific period of time, dated weekly, days, periods, so that you know where you should be, whether you're ahead of schedule or behind schedule or right on time. That printable action plan at the very end of the course, or that you can literally print off right away, is there for you to print off so that you can follow along. So that's how easy that the course design is for everybody. And I try to be as clear about the instructions that you would take and follow as possible. I demonstrate with video demonstrations every part of the course that you would spend on your computer, how you would be sourcing products using tools like Jungle Scout, or how you would be getting reviews with tools, say like JumpSend or 𝘿𝙀𝙊𝙆, or how you would be doing your sourcing using different sourcing sites. I literally create a portfolio of sourcing websites, both in English as well as in Chinese or in other languages that are available for people who maybe speak Chinese. So all of this is available to me, again, to make it easy for you, but also to give you an advantage over other sellers, because a lot of other courses in the course I took would only give you the main primary one, which was Alibaba, for your sourcing site, whereas I give you, I think, 15 different sourcing sites to go to. So I talk about the phase A to Z fast track. So how to fast track. Fast tracking is another kind of, for some people who go, I don't want to do retail arbitrage, I just want to jump straight into private label. Then you can follow the fast track pacer, which again is a printable form, and it'll show you day one, buying the required tools that you need, researching and finding a product in high demand with low competition, source it on Alibaba, and negotiating a deal, making buying decisions, and creating a listing. Day two, the goals of each day, day 3, day 4, day 5, literally. I go phase 0, arbitrage. Phase 1, product research. Again, of the course, these are the phases. Phase 2, product sourcing and negotiating. Phase 3, product, the creative aspect and the outsourcing. So again, building your Amazon business, a lot of people want to build it for the income, which is great. Some people want to build it for time, which is awesome too. If you're looking for time, then I teach you how to outsource almost every aspect of your Amazon business at the end of the day. So who to use, outsourcing companies to use, all that type of stuff. So they're all available to you as well. So I give you all that information as well in phase 3, product creative and outsourcing. Then in phase 4, product listing and optimization, how to create your listing from scratch. A sales page on Amazon is important. A well-designed sales page, bullet points, photos is important. So I give you step-by-step, and I specifically point out what attracts people to products over, somebody else who's selling the exact same product, and why they would buy yours at maybe $5 or 20 or 30% more than, say, somebody else. Phase 6, product price strategies and monetization. So we go over all that. That's phase 5, and then phase 6, product management. So how to manage a product, how to get reviews, how to get 5-star reviews, how to deal with hijackers, how to remove bad reviews, how to use Amazon to get help, all of that stuff. And then phase 7, which is a bonus phase, is product scaling, which we added in. How to use free tools, paid tools to scale your sales, how to drive traffic to your product, how to just increase the overall demand. And then, again, with all the courses in the Coach Crispects crash course line, you're going to be able to learn more in depth, specific to private label, specific, obviously my base course is 10 hours of content, everything fundamentally that you would want to know. But I don't want to overwhelm anybody and have people get paralysis by analysis and think they need to learn everything first. You don't need to learn everything first. You just need to be able to take action. So my course is designed just to help you start immediately. A lot of people who sign up for my course jump into the private group so that they can mentor with me, ask questions, mentor with other students who are taking the exact same course as you would be. So when you sign up, you get access to that private group. And in that private group, like I said, every 3 times a week, I'm on there showing you products that I am buying, showing you products that I'm researching, showing you the profits that I'm making from the products that I'm buying, both retail arbitrage and private label, giving you new tips that I'm using, new strategies that I'm using to find products. Today's strategy was, honestly, it was one I literally just thought about, even though I should probably thought about it a year ago. I just thought about it because I was thinking of new ways that I can add more inventory, private label wise, to my already fairly large inventory of private label products. I just wanted ways where I could find caves and pockets where other FBA sellers may not be in. Why they exist and how I know they exist is because I've already found them. So I want to find more of them because I like the products that I'm finding using this method that I have just came to me. So using tools like Jungle Scout is an advantage that I have over other sellers who don't actually have that tool. So it's a tool that you would want to get. It's a tool that I recommend for all my students who are starting their Amazon FBA journey. So, and again, that's just one class today that I had. I did 2 hours of video today in the private group that's available to all the students exclusively. It is not on my YouTube channel. You won't find anything specific to what I'm giving you value-wise. All of that, the fundamental course is $97. When you click on the link, it'll be in the description below. You'll click on it, you're gonna see $444. That is the price of the course. That is the price of Amazon Selling Hustle. Click that link, you will see that it's on sale for $97. So right now is the time to buy that course. Right now is the time to put in and invest $97 because you'll do nothing but learn how to actually sell. And if you take action and send in your first shipment or send in some retail arbitrage product, my guarantee is you'll be hooked with selling on Amazon. You'll be hooked with this business model that allows you to simply buy products, package them up in a box, ship it to Amazon, and then not really have to do much more work than that. Because Amazon does the rest of the work for you. They will package product up when a customer buys it. They will advertise it. They will put it obviously in, you're listing it. You have a storefront. They will provide you the millions and millions of customers who will see your product. The techniques I give you show you how to find products that are in demand. I give you additional techniques to get those products in front of people's eyes. It's literally just that easy. It's that easy to make money selling on Amazon. It's that easy to see products be sold that you literally didn't sell yourself, that you just shipped to Amazon. You just think to yourself, what the hell am I waking up to $200 in sales or $100 in sales, $50 in profit? Waking up from your bed, you check your phone. I check my Seller Central app probably on average 30 to 40 times a day, maybe more, sometimes less. Sometimes I'll go 4 hours without checking. Sometimes I habitually will check it, close it, and then check it again. is just crazy. Because, you know, it shows you your current balance, how much you're going to get paid in 2 weeks. It shows you how much you've sold today, how many units you've sold for so far. It gives you a bar graph, gives you your this month's sales so far, how much better was that than last month at this exact same day, how much better it was at over last year, which I'm up 54%. And you got all these other features in here. You also use the app to do practically 100% of your customer service, you know, so you can respond to customers. Yeah, it's an incredible app. So often I'll log off, and then like 30 seconds later, I'll jump back on just out of habit. So yeah. Let's go like that. There we go. So it's great. So yeah, check that out. The course, again, the information is in the link below. I will put in there a list of I'll put in a list of information about every module, so you can see the content that you are actually getting, as well as, let's just remove here, report this guy again. He's a distraction. All right. Cool. So yeah, so that's really all I wanted to go through, is just give you guys an idea for people who are new to my channel, what Coach Crispect's crash courses are all about, and what Amazon Selling Hustle mentorship program is about, or the mentorship course. It's the course, again, A to Z on how to sell on Amazon, how to do it right, how to have success, and access to mentorship with myself through my private group, through email. You can reach out to me anytime. I respond to you. A lot of people reach out to me on YouTube. Ask any question that you might have, and I often respond within anywhere from a minute to, you know, the next morning kind of thing. And I answer your question. Sometimes I'll answer in like detail. Sometimes it's just quick to the point answer. Whatever I feel you need, you know, based on my instincts, I go there. And that's kind of just demonstrating what people get when they join the course. So this, again, is just to let everybody know that Amazon mentorship is available. Jump on the link below, click that link, get in the course. It's $97 right now. Available to anybody who wants to hit up that course.